we have red curry chicken. It comes with the steamed rice. And we have deep fried calamari. We ordered pad thai to go na lang kasi busog na kayo mi. Hello, familia, friends, and strangers, and hindi namin kilala who are watching this video. We're very thankful for you. We're on 51 subscriber now. It's a great achievement for us.
52 na.
We're so happy now we have 51
Katawanan
subscriber.
ka na yung 51.
Yeah, I'm proud of it, 51. And hopefully it's going up. And I'm so happy na marami na kaming napasaya, 51. Proud.
Witness bus.
I know. So we're on San Mateo downtown.
Downtown San Mateo.
This is B Street.
Yeah, close to Kuan, close to cars.
Yeah. So we're gonna go around, Lalab.
Okay, let's go.
This is what it looks like. So they painted the road. Looks nice, very, very good. And
Oh man. Oh gosh.
so we're greeting everyone. Happy New Year. It's like December 29 today.
29.
So 2 more days to
Okay,
go.
work na po siya till after New Year.
Happy New Year. Keep on watching our videos and like and follow. So we're in Center Park now.
Smoke free. Picture na.
Oh, look at that giraffe.
Oh, there's a giraffe.
Yeah, we're in safari. Woohoo. So this is the San Mateo Japanese garden. Let's get in.
I will read your one.
Mhm.
The entrance. The gate marks the entrance where the hustle and bustle of the outside world is left behind and the visitor can enjoy the quiet beauty of the garden.
Look at that. I don't know. That's a house, I think. This is my guide tour today.
Yes.
So we're going back to the entrance and do the self-guided tour.
In 1964,
Come on.
in 1964, the San Mateo Gardeners Association began the initial movement towards developing a Japanese garden. The concept of a Japanese garden was also endorsed by the Toyonaka Sister City organization. A Koinkai was formed to work together with the city of San Mateo to construct a Japanese garden. A 1-acre site. This is a 1-acre site in Central Park was selected for the garden. The garden was designed by Mr. Nagao Sakurai, former landscape architect at the Imperial Palace in Tokyo. The largest volunteer workforce came from the San Mateo Japanese American community. Active support came from the City Council, Parks and Recreation Commission, garden clubs, many civic organizations, private businesses, as well as other individuals. The Japanese garden dedication was held on August 28, 1966. Where's the welcome?
Didn't think so. And I'm like, which I didn't know at the time.
English.
Hi, bossing. I'm on number 4 now.
Where's number 4?
Here.
Where's number 4 tree?
That's 5 over there on the island.
4
Here,
is lantern.
there's a lantern here. Look at all those trees.
That's okay. 5 is
5 is the island.
Turtle Island.
This is a small bridge, wooden bridge across the pond. It's very relaxing here, although it's so cloudy, kind of cold. Let's go up to the pagoda. Hi, bossing. Smile, bossing. Yeah. So this is the view from the pagoda tower.
Yeah.
Look at it. There's the entrance over there at the back.
I bet this place looks different in the summer or
Yeah.
spring, maybe. We should come back. There's the pagoda.
There's the pagoda tower there. Looks beautiful.
It's beautiful. On, wala akong problema.
Let's continue our path.
Por favor. Na-hold ka na lang. Ah. Ang mga kahoy ko mga gift. Look at me.
Hi, bossing.
Ito na wala pa.
Where? Wala pa. Buddha bless you. So beautiful.
Nasa rin kayak na.
We're inside the Central Park.
We've seen concerts here
Yeah.
in the summer.
Mm-hmm.
Dapat sila stage. Ano ito? Mag-concert? O dito?
Squirrels.
Asa ito yung stage na? Dito no? Instead na dyan eh.
Yeah, dito. Ano yung nai-red dito?
Buhat sila makeshift na stage.
Mm-hmm.
May playground dito.
Field is closed. So you cannot cross, you cannot play there. This is the skating rink in Central Park in San Mateo. I think they're about to start. The guy is cleaning the ice, I think. There's a long line already. We used to sit here, this stands to watch baseball, community baseball, and then we'll just buy food from the downtown, and then we'll just sit over here. Hello, we're done for the day. So we went to a Thai restaurant to have lunch, and then after we walked to the Central Park, and then we end up going to the Japanese garden, and it is free. It was good. It's like we're in Japan inside San Mateo.
Within the city.
Within the city. I think that's it for the day.
Now we're home.
Now we're home. We're parked, and I hope you guys have a good day, because we have a good day. Bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you, content creator.